Remitly is a trusted online money transfer service that allows you to send money to your loved ones across borders in just a few simple steps. With Remitly, you can have peace of mind knowing that your money will reach its destination safely and on time. The first step is to create an account with Remitly. Head over to their website or download their mobile app from your app store. Click on the Sign Up button and follow the instructions to register with your email address. Once you're signed up, please enter the amount you wish to send and select the currency you want to send it in. Remitly provides competitive exchange rates, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Now, it's essential to provide accurate information about your recipient. Fill in their full name and contact information, and select the receiving country. Remitly offers various options for receiving money, such as direct deposits, mobile wallets, or cash pickups, depending on the country. Select your preferred payment method. Remitly accepts bank transfers, debit cards, and credit cards, making it convenient for you to choose the option that works best for you. Before finalizing your transfer, take a moment to review all the details. Make sure the information you've provided is correct and double-check the transfer amount. Remitly provides transparency throughout the process, showing you the fees and the exact amount your recipient will receive. After your transfer is complete, Remitly provides a tracking feature so you can stay updated on the progress of your transaction. You'll receive notifications at every step of the process, from the moment you initiate the transfer until your loved ones receive the money.